Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list published on October 22, 2025, which is about 2 days ago. The big move is a unified training recipe that blends reinforcement learning with adversarial imitation, letting small vision language models copy the style of big teachers and get more correct over time, with gains like QN 2.5 VL7B jumping from 83.9% to 86.7%. The paper is titled, Unified Reinforcement and Imitation Learning for Vision Language Models, and the implications for model training are quite significant. The approach uses an LLM-based discriminator, multiple teacher models, and rewards from an LLM-judge, staying fast at inference while rivaling top closed systems. Alright, Figure 1 shows how the training recipe boosts accuracy across several vision language benchmarks. The key message is that unified reinforcement and imitation learning delivers larger percent gains than reinforcement learning alone. The red bars, which use multiple teacher models, rise highest because the student receives both similarity guidance and an answer reward. The green bars with a single teacher still beat the blue and orange baselines. The legend clarifies which bar color corresponds to each method. Well, Figure 2 compares average benchmark performance versus parameter count across many vision language systems. The red RIL curves rise steeply and then flatten near about 75%, which signals that the trained students deliver top accuracy without needing massive models. The dashed baselines for the same family sit lower, so the unified reinforcement and imitation training closes the gap. The takeaway is efficient students match or rival prominent closed models while keeping inference lightweight. Figure 2 compared averages across model sizes, so Table 1 lists head-to-head results across many benchmarks. The message is that RIL wins because it blends a similarity reward from teachers with an answer reward judged for correctness. For the 7 billion QN model, the gain is about 3 points. For the 8 billion intern VL3 model, the lift is roughly 1 point. These consistent bumps show the same training recipe improves multiple student families. So, while Table 1 showed consistent gains from unified training, Table 2 highlights that combining two teacher models boosts students more than using one. The point is, diversity in teacher responses strengthens the discriminator, which makes the similarity reward more informative. Multi-teacher setups also guide policy updates during reinforcement learning, so students converge faster. The net result is higher average scores across many benchmarks, without adding inference overhead. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. Unifying reinforcement and adversarial imitation reliably lifts small vision language models by a few points without a slow think phase, and multi-teacher guidance with a binary discriminator reward is the most effective setup. The broader implication is practical, model-agnostic training for fast edge deployment. Thanks for tuning in. I am Alex, and this was the AI Research Roundup.